Transform your body in just 4 weeks with these 5 simple exercises. Being fit is no easy task. It takes determination, motivation, willpower, and resilience. One of the hardest parts of living and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is taking that first step and getting started. Once you cross that hurdle, you've accomplished something that most people don't have the willpower or determination to do. And once you start, the results come. When you start seeing results, it's almost impossible to quit. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. It doesn't take much to get started. For beginners, the most important thing is firstly making sure that your diet is in check. Like they say, abs are built in the kitchen. So if you want to get fit, you have to start with your diet. Once your diet is in order, the next step is to perfect your workout routine. If you have been trying to live a healthier lifestyle or want to exercise more, but don't really know where or how to start, these 5 exercises are perfect for any beginner who is looking to make a positive change to their lifestyle in just 4 short weeks. Keep in mind that these exercises all require perfect form to prevent injury. If you're confused about any of the exercises or have trouble performing them, consult with a professional before going any further. Now, keep watching for 5 simple exercises that will transform your body in weeks. 1. The plank. The plank is a core exercise which strengthens your abdominal area, shoulders, and back. It is one of the most important exercises you can do because it strengthens your core and helps with posture. That it also helps to reduce or prevent back pain and improve your balance. A strong core will improve your overall performance and also help with the overall daily tasks you perform every day. By working out your core, you strengthen your entire body and also protect your body from undue injury. The plank also helps strengthen and develop your abs. To perform a plank, get down on the floor into a push-up position. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. Make sure that your elbows are directly underneath your shoulders. Also make sure that your body is in a straight line. Engage your core. Try sucking your stomach in towards your spine and hold it. For beginners, try holding the pose for 30 seconds and gradually work your way up as you progress. 2. The push-up. Push-ups are one of the oldest and most important exercises in the book. They work as a full-body exercise and build strength in your forearms, chest, shoulders, back, abs, and legs. They also engage your core and increase your strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise, which means that it targets multiple muscles at the same time. What's so great about push-ups is that, like planks, you don't need any fancy exercise equipment to do it. You can do it at home, outside, or anywhere you please. To do a push-up, place your hands on the ground directly beneath your shoulders. Tighten your core and make sure that your entire body is straight. Keeping your back flat and straight, lower your body toward the floor. Keep your core nice and tight. Exhale and push yourself back up. Make sure that your entire body remains in a perfectly straight line while completing the movement. Are you familiar with any of the exercise in this video so far? Keep watching for some even more useful exercises that will help get you in shape in just weeks. 3. The squat. The squat is another compound movement which effectively works multiple muscles in your body. It is one of the essential exercises to strengthen your core, your legs, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves and glutes, hips, and your back. Squats are a staple exercise in increasing your lower body strength. They also stimulate muscle growth. Make sure you are pressing your weight onto your heels, and then push through your heels to go back up into the starting position. Start by just using your own body weight, and as you improve, you can progress into adding more weight to your squat. The squat is one of the most important and useful compound exercise. It primarily trains the muscles in your thighs, hips, glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. If you're trying out squats for the first time, you should make sure you're using the proper form. Consider speaking to a personal trainer for help in getting the form right. Bad form can lead to injuries which could affect your progress in the gym. 4. The bird dog. Like the plank, the bird dog works your core as well as your lower back and helps to improve your overall balance. The bird dog will also strengthen your back, especially your lumbar spine. It is beneficial in strengthening your core and your stabilizer muscles. To perform a bird dog, get on the floor on all fours. Keeping your core tight, and your spine and neck neutral, look towards the floor. Your knees should be directly beneath your hips and your wrists beneath your shoulders. Slowly extend your left leg up until it is parallel to the floor. Do not lift your leg above the height of your hip. Once you do this, slowly lift your right arm, keeping it straight and parallel to the floor. Hold the position for a few seconds, and then bring your leg and arm down. Switch to the opposite arm and leg, and repeat. The bird dog targets the erector spiny muscle. This muscle extends the length of a person's spine and is responsible for the flexing, extending, and rotating of the spine. This exercise also works out the gluteus maximus muscles, as well as the trapezius muscles in the upper back and the deltoids of the shoulder. The glute bridge. The glute bridge is an exercise which primarily targets your glutes, but it also targets your core, as well as your hips, and is a key exercise in preventing lower back pain. You don't have to use any equipment for this exercise, so you can do it anywhere you please, even in the comfort of your own living room. If you have a desk job and don't move around enough, or if you suffer from frequent lower back pain, this exercise will strengthen your lower back and also improve your hip mobility. Start by laying down on the floor face up. Bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the ground. Your arms should be to your sides with the palms facing down. Slowly lift your hips up and away from the ground. You should stop when your knees, hips, and shoulders are in a perfectly straight line. Squeeze your glutes hard and tighten your core. Hold a position for a few seconds and go back down. Not only does the glute bridge tone and work out the glute muscles, but it also works out your core as well as hamstrings and adductors. Advanced variations of this exercise work the hip flexors, obliques, and quads. Remember that a healthy body and great overall physique take months and even years of determination and hard work to achieve. Give yourself a head start by trying these exercises for 4 weeks and see how your strength and your body improve. Once that is done, you are ready to take the next step in your fitness journey. You should also always make sure that you receive professional medical advice from your doctor before starting out any new exercise regimen. In addition to this, you should also incorporate healthy eating into your lifestyle. A good exercise regimen and diet will help improve your overall mental and physical health. If you have any underlying health conditions or injuries, be sure to talk to a doctor to find out what exercises are the safest for you to perform. And remember, consistency is key. You won't see results right away, but if you maintain a consistent workout routine combined with healthy eating, you will start to notice gradual changes in your physique as well as your overall health. What are some other exercises or activities that you do to stay fit and keep healthy? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.